Friends, today we will discuss why the COVID second wave was so fatal, so dangerous. It has exhausted the major health resources and impacted the social and economic life of the country. Why this is so? The first wave, which lasted from March to September, almost 6 months, the total number of cases was just highest number was 90,000. This time, the highest number was 4,14,000 on 7th May, with almost more than 3.5 lakh deaths. Why this is so? First wave, the virus was the same throughout the world. Its infectiousness was less. In second wave, we had our own virus, what is called Indian virus or Delta virus. We had Wuhan virus, we had Alpha virus, we had Beta virus, we have Gamma virus, and now we have Delta virus, and now we have Delta plus virus. Among all these, we don't know about the Delta plus. It is a virus of interest. But the virus of concern is Delta virus, whose infectivity, if you take the Alpha virus, was 4 times infective than Wuhan virus. The Delta virus is almost 8 times infective. So it was a super spreader. That's why there was rapid spread of the cases, rapid transmission, and we had largest number of cases in a day, and cases used to double in within a week. So this virus was more infective, more transmission, and that's why it is called as super spreader. This virus was also more virulent. This time the pregnant women was affected almost double. In previous wave it was 7%, now it is 14%. And fatality in women was also almost 5 times. Previously it was 0.7%, it was now more than 5%. In the first wave, the major symptom was sore throat with cough. So there were breathlessness, body ache, fatigue were there. But major symptom was sore throat and cough. This time the major symptom was breathlessness. And breathlessness was so unusual that it was rapid in onset and right on the first day or second or third, fourth day. The virus was also highly virulent. There was a rapid spread from nose to lung within 3 to 4 days, and we had COVID pneumonia, ARDS. So there was need of more oxygen, more ventilators, more hospital beds, and everything was short. There was no bed available, no oxygen available, no drugs available. Remdesivir was sold in black, and even methylprednisolone and dexamethasone was out of market. So this virus was super spreader, more virulent, rapidly infectious. Then it also had some unusual symptoms like conjunctivitis in one eye, diarrhea, fatigue or headache at the onset. Some patients also had loss of hearing, which was mild, moderate or severe. So this was the virus of concern. That is was Delta virus, which has led to this rapid tsunami of the cases, large number of cases. In the previous cases were spread in 6 weeks, and the peak came in September. So it was almost 6 months. And it was clustered in 60 to 100 districts. This time it was clustered into just 20 to 40 districts, and the highest number of cases was 4,14,000. Again, it started in March and peak. So this was rapidly spread, rapid decline just in 3 months. That was in 6 months. Here, this is how the second wave was more virulent, super spreader, more infectious. We have new symptoms. Thank you.